a true story of the twin flame journey. Union, the remembering, the one conscious heartbeat, the one conscious breath. The day came when union happened. The running stopped. She was no longer needing to be chosen. She was no longer chasing love. She stopped the endless searching. What was once such a heavy, painful heart left, and in its place, became peace, grace, sovereignty, power. You see, the divine masculine didn't show up in her life just for love. Oh no, it was way bigger than that. They arrived to crack divine feminine open at the very core. They arrived divine feminine so you could remember. Guess what? They will not let you hide. They will not let you run. And guess what? You will not let them hide. You will not let them run. This is not a conscious decision. Neither body is making this conscious decision. The journey is not something that is thought of from the mind and the ego. It is happening on a soul frequency, on a cosmic frequency. Guess what? The journey will strip you to your bare bones. It will expose every shadow. It will show every hidden wound. You cannot hide. Through the constant collapsing, through the constant trying, through the constant endless searching, trying to figure out the journey. Guess what? You will remember. You will remember your power. You will remember your light. And in that remembrance, divine feminine, you will surrender. And in that surrender, you start to feel the flame. You feel the heart beating. You feel the breath, not just the singular breath, the conscious breath, the oneness breath, the divine breath. That one conscious frequency, the frequency of the shared energetic frequency that you and your divine counterpart share, you will feel the heart, the shared heartbeat. You will feel the shared breath. It will awaken something so deep within you, a sacred energy, the Christ consciousness frequency. And as you awaken, as those codes start to rumble and that remembering takes place, you will remember that one conscious frequency, that one conscious heartbeat, that one conscious breath. And in that, well, that is when you come into that beautiful inner union frequency. And once in that inner union frequency, nobody or nothing can ever shake divine feminine again. And once she holds that frequency, she becomes magnetic. Not just through her looks, not just through how she is, but through her vibration and through her frequency, through the one frequency, the conscious frequency, the Christ conscious codes that are now vibrating out, not only for the masculine, but for the whole of Gaia. This is the biggest awakening. And yes, you are on a double mission. Yes, it awakens your divine counterpart, but it also helps the shift and the awakening of Gaia, of Mother Earth. As I was channeling this today and writing it out, I write it in my journal. And in my journal, underneath, by the way, this is not a paid journal. It's just one that I like. I wrote over the wording, and on the bottom of the pages, the author of this journal, I'm trying to look who it is, Tony. Anyway, as I'm writing and scrolling along, I read their words that are greyed in here. And this is where the signs and synchronicities come in. Dreams are the meeting point between the conscious and the unconscious, the merge of heaven and earth. This journey is a merge. This journey is a powerful, deeply powerful transformation. I hope this has helped you today. From my heart to your heart. I know that this journey breaks you open over and over again. And every single day I try and sprinkle a little bit of fairy dust out into the cosmos to help any lost souls that are struggling on this journey. If you need more help and support, my website is there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. It's there to help you shift in profound ways. And remember, Divine Feminine, remember your calling. Remember your power. Remember your light. Remember, this is an activation of the Christ conscious frequency, the Mary Magdalene frequency. It is a remembering of those deep sacred codes that are held within the earth. Because it is a double mission. As you awaken and shift into that inner union, it brings in that merge, that beautiful merge of heaven and earth. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.